Hi guys, yeah, just we finished gluing all the system up here now. So here it is after about nearly $600 worth. The frame is quite expensive, pipes are very expensive here in Sydney where we are now. But we finally got it made up. The rails they're 90mm rails. Now I've got 20 holes and they're 44 mils, the holes are cut, and they're 150 apart. So yeah, so I can hold 120 plants in this system alone. So we should get a fair bit out of it. I'll just show you anyhow. So it's still very early stages. I just put nutrients in as well. So this is the nutrients if people are asking. It's called polyfeed. And polyfeed is by a company called Hayfear. And Hayfear, you can see here 12, 2.2, and then 33.2. But besides this, I'm mixing in some Epsom salts and also calcium. And I've made my own trace elements here because this trace elements is what's in the ground, and this is fertigation, so it's sort of not, hasn't got really enough trace elements in it, so I'm just adding to it. Anyhow, I'll just show you the system anyhow. So the whole system's running on solar. I mean, why wouldn't I? I'll just show you here. So I've just set up over here, just temporary, just sitting on top of this wire fence for now until I make up a solar tracker to run on it. So this is a 170 watt panel. I've just got connected up through an extension cord which I've just hooked up, and I'm using here 2 solar pumps. So the 2 solar pumps are submersible and they're in here. I'll just take this lid off and I'll just show you. So they're down the bottom in there. So they're 12 volt pumps. They're only using 1 amp of power. That's why these are called solar pumps. They use very, very little power, but they can pump 1,000 litres an hour. So I've got 2 pumps in here and I've got netting on them as well just to stop any rubbish, because you can see on the bottom there's a little bit of debris still coming through, so I don't want it coming back through the pump and back in the system. And it runs up here. This is a 15mm pipe with some angles, and it runs across the top here, and I've got another one running from the other side over here. So this is just to hold them together here, but they're blocked off inside. So each one is running 3 holes, as you can see here. And it's quite cloudy now. You see it's very, very cloudy, yet using such a large panel, it's helping me. So it's still pumping at half speed. See, when it's cloudy, the whole thing will still run. So you can see there, you can hear it running. That's the return line here at the back. You can see the water returning here. So the water's coming back there. I'll show you. So the water comes through these pipes and they all join together at the back here, through these 90 mils. And then through here at the bottom here, it just drains back through here and back down and back to the system. So we tried to make it as simple as we could. The frame took a little bit of working out. So the frame is just right, rectangles here with a piece in the center, and then we've got a T-piece running through here, which runs through to the other side just to hold the whole thing up. I've used rivets in here on each one. There's a rivet on each side, so you can take the rivets out and you can pull this frame apart, and the whole thing goes in the car, so you can move it, which is pretty good. So there you go. So yeah, we're just trying it now. You can see now the water just pumping through these holes. So I've used the 4mm hole for pumping the water through there. So it seems to be the easiest and quickest way to run the whole thing. So there you go. We're just trying some plants. These are just being transplanted now. So we're going to be doing everything from seed. We've got some kangkong seeds happening now. We're waiting for germination. We also got some cauliflower and some broccoli, we've got some parsley and some others. So these we just bought from the shop just to test to make sure the nutrients is working well. So here we just got some bok choy, we've got some broccoli, we've got some cauliflower here as well. So there you go guys, very, very simple. And yeah, next we'll set up some Dutch buckets and some others. So yeah, there's more coming. So yeah, thanks for watching.